Hi, my name is Naeem Abdulaziz, and I'm an IT professional from 20 years. I've been giving services like VoIP services, network services, system services, and apart from this, I'm good with digital marketing stuff also, in which I'm good with video editing and making graphic works using Canva and much more services like WordPress. I've done WordPress also, so I know how to create a website on WordPress. Apart from this, I've been working with lots of freelancers in US, Canada, and Australia. With my communication skills, I have grabbed a lot of clients with their services like email and chat support. I've been working as a virtual assistant also for some of my clients, in which I have to provide their customers the online support. The online support is not only just technical support; it's also the part of the services for the products also. So I have been giving that services also. If you like to hire me, you can hire me on Upwork, 5RR, people per hour, or Hubstaff, or I'm also on freelancers.pk. I can be available on LinkedIn with the name of Naeem Abdulaziz. So you can just grab me there or grab me on Upwork also. Upwork, my ID is Naeem Aziz. So I hope you like my video, and I'm available for you guys if you want to hire me. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.